Hello friends, I am Raj from IncomeTaxReturnIndia.com. Below are the income tax rates applicable for financial year 2015 and 16, relevant to assessment year 2016 and 17. Rates given below are for individuals and HUF whose age is less than 60 years. If income is below 2,50,000, the tax rate is 0%. But if income is between 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakh rupees, the tax rate is 10%. And if income is between 5 lakh to 10 lakh rupees, then income over and above 5 lakh is applicable at 20%. And if income is above 10 lakh rupees, the applicable tax rate is 30% over income exceeding 10 lakh rupees. There is a surcharge of 12% if income exceeds 1 crore rupees, and there is an education cess of 3% of the total income tax. There is a rebate of 2,000 rupees under Section 87A for individual whose income is less than 5 lakh rupees. Moving on to the other category of individuals, which are senior citizens. Senior citizens are the persons whose age is between 60 years and 80 years. For these senior citizens, income up to 3 lakh rupees, the tax is nil. For income between 3 lakh to 5 lakh rupees, tax rate is 10%. And if income is between 5 to 10 lakh rupees, the tax rate is 20%. And if income exceeds 10 lakh rupees, the tax rate is 30%. And again there is a surcharge of 12% if income exceeds 1 crore rupees, and there is an education cess of 3% of total income tax and surcharge. There is again a rebate of 2,000 rupees under Section 87A for individuals whose income is less than 5 lakh rupees. Then there is a category of individuals whose age is more than 80 years. And for such individuals, income up to 5 lakh rupees, there is no tax. And if income is between 5 to 10 lakh rupees, the tax rate is 20%. If income exceeds 10 lakh rupees, tax rate is 30%. And there is a surcharge of 12% again if income exceeds 1 crore rupees. There is education cess again of 3% on total income tax and surcharge. Moving on to the other category, which is cooperative societies. For the cooperative society, if income is up to 10,000 rupees, the tax is 10%, and if income is between 10,000 to 20,000, the tax rate is 20%, and if income is above 20,000, the tax rate is 30%. Again, surcharge is 12% if income exceeds 1 crore. There is education cess on total income and surcharge. The next category is firms and local authorities. They are subject to a flat tax rate of 30%, and there is a surcharge of 12% if income exceeds 1 crore rupees, and again education cess of 3% on total income tax and surcharge. For domestic companies, there is a flat rate of 30% on the total taxable income. There is a surcharge of 7% if income exceeds 1 crore rupees, and surcharge of 12% if income exceeds 10 crore rupees. Again, education cess is 3% on total income tax and surcharge. For companies other than domestic companies, the tax rate is 50% of taxable income. If income is royalty income or fees from technical services, it could be received from a government or any Indian concern. And for the balance of income, the tax rate is 40%. Surcharge is 2% if income exceeds 1 crore rupees, and surcharge is 5% if income exceeds 10 crore rupees. Again, education cess is 3% of total income tax and surcharge. For more tips on income tax advice, please visit our site IncomeTaxReturnIndia.com.